The Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, is the UK regulator responsible for the regulation of the financial services industry in the UK. It first set out its proposed ESG strategy in October 2019, a strategy which has been developed and maintained and has been incorporated into the FCA's business plan. There are a number of regulatory developments in the context of ESG which are worth mentioning here. The first of these is the ESG Advisory Committee to the FCA board.
Going forwards, we anticipate that key targets for the CMA are likely to be industries where consumers appear most concerned about misleading claims, with textiles and fashion, travel and transport, and fast-moving consumer goods likely to be prioritised. Possible outcomes of CMA investigations are wide-ranging and include securing undertakings from the companies to change the way they operate, requiring the company to pay redress to those that have been harmed by the failure to comply with consumer law, or, as a last resort, taking the firms to court, including the possibility of a criminal prosecution.
Perhaps not hugely well known, the National Contact Point is a government-supported office responsible for the promotion of the OECD guidelines for multinational enterprises on responsible business conduct and for operating the complaints mechanism set out in the guidelines. In the United Kingdom, the National Contact Point sits within the UK's Department of International Trade. The guidelines for multinational enterprises on responsible business conduct are aimed at all types of multinational enterprise and cover topics including corporate governance, human rights, employment and industrial relations, consumer interests, combating bribery and corruption, and the environment.